Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, it is the season for ribbons and bows, and with a professional touch, anything can become a glamorous gift. Taking even the Pantone color of the year with living coral, tying it around tapers and enhancing. To do this, start with your favorite ribbon. Candy cane seemed so appropriate. Pull off a length and cut it. Set that aside. Go back with another and make a beautiful bow. I know you maybe don't love making bows, but they are the perfect enhancement for a special gift or a special friend. Think loop and twist, loop and twist. Then when you've got it full and fluffy, cut that off. Add the extra set of tails. Tie it off with a wire. And then clip that wire off. You want just enough to secure it. Then this is the magic touch. Using all those little leftovers, bits of foliages, berries, even fresh or permanent, doesn't matter. Odds and ends. Using your glue gun, a little bit of glue, down into the ribbon, nestling it, tucking it low. Then when you've got it beautifully enhanced, just take whatever gift item you have. Today, maybe a bottle of sparkling wine, tie it on, and you're good to go. Happy Tulip Tuesday. See you next week.